It's not what. It's not warm. It's not warm. Look at the wall. Ah! It's cold. It's cold. It's your boy Markatron 3000. This is our second morning at the campsite. Look at all these blossom things falling off the trees, whatever they are. What are they, Matt?
I don't know.
Some kind of blossom stuff falling down on us, like snowing on us. There's my laundry drying. I did some hand laundry in the washroom over there. Worked out quite well, just wash stuff in the sink. But there is like laundry facilities here if you need to use it, but you need to pay for it. We had a chilled one last night, just went to the bars. They're in the campsite. There's the restaurant bars down that way, the Wunderbar, the like cocktail bars over that side. So yeah, we're gonna go and get some breakfast and find out what activities we're gonna do on the lake today. We need to get in that water. We haven't been in the water yet. So check out these falling blossoms. Pretty palatial. Here's Matt's guide rope I keep tripping over. This is the area. St. Laszlo. St. Laszlo is the street, I think. St. Laszlo Utsa. I think we're on. I'm not sure who St. Laszlo was, why he's a saint. I really don't know. I'll try and find out for you. So we'll check back in. You got anything to say, Matthew?
Oh, pretty exhausted, yeah.
Yeah, I can't say we've had a decent night's kip here. The ground is very firm. I haven't got a proper pillow. I haven't got like a mat to lie on or anything like that. I'm just lying on the hard ground. Just lying on the sleeping bag. So look at how cool it is. Look at it. It's like snowing in it. Look at it. Isn't it cool? So we found out, we think that this stuff are seed capsules from cottonwood trees. They fall from the trees for like 2 weeks in June, so we must be here at the right time when this is happening. Looks pretty cool. It's kind of like snow. It's pretty wicked, isn't it? Yeah, another thing we've noticed on this campsite, I think it's quite possible that me and Matt are actually the only British people here. We haven't heard anyone talking English, apart from people that have spoke to us in English. Yeah, I think we might be the only British people here on this campsite, which is alright, it's cool. People are serving us drinks and food can speak English, so that's all we need. This is our campsite. I'm just wandering around trying to find somewhere to get some breakfast. That's the Wunderbar that we were at last night. Oh yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the mosquito bite situation is intensifying, as you can see. It's no joke. I had a few little visitors in my tent last night, some mosquitoes, I had some spiders came to see me and some ants as well. I was just watching them crawl about around the netting and, you know, mosquitoes landing on me stuff. So yeah, that's what's going down. I packed that light. I couldn't actually fit anything else in the bag. I couldn't fit any insect repellent stuff in. I'll have to see if I can pick some up from somewhere. There's Lake Balaton. Some paddle boats over there. Oh, there's a canoe. Yeah, me and Matt were talking about going canoeing. I might have to go on a canoe. You know, I always say in life, love many, trust few. Learn to paddle your own canoe. It looks like you can do paddle boarding here as well. I know Matt was keen on doing that. I'm not sure if I'm going to do that because I've hurt my foot. This is how we get back out and get access to the lake. Let's go and check it out. The water looks very blue, kind of turquoisey blue, greeny blue sort of thing. I would call it a greeny blue. Don't know about you. So what do? Canoe over to that platform and then go on the zip wire or something? Is that what we're supposed to do here? There's a few waves going on today. This is Siófok. This is the south side of the huge lake in Hungary, Lake Balaton. Over that side is Balaton for red, I think. It's a big seat. It's like a big bench. Why is it so big? I don't know. Big bench. Really big bench. Kids play over there. You can play table tennis as well. Still haven't found anywhere for breakfast. We might have to go back to the Alyssa restaurant where I went to last night. I'm going to try and check that out. None of the bars on this campsite serve breakfast. They all just open for lunchtime. And it's still 9:30 in the morning, so we've had to get food from the supermarket here. Just food to go. I've got pizza, I've got some kind of sausage, Polish sausage or something, Bismarck cake, and the apple juice. That's it. Could have bought some stuff in that we could have cooked at the cooking area over there, but I couldn't be bothered with that. I'm just going to eat this. Check it out, fresh crocodile sandwiches. The delivery man's just come with the fresh crocodile sandwiches, so we might have to try one of those. We're absolutely knackered after a night of hardly any sleep in our strange Italian, Polish, German breakfast with pizza, Polish sausage and German cake and apple juice. So we're just chilling next to the lake at the moment, watching people splashing about. Matt's thinking about getting a canoe. I'm thinking about just getting in, have a little bit of a splash about in a bit, but for the minute we're just chilling. This is it, this is Lake Balaton 2019. Angolnak.
Angolnak.
Angolnak. See ya.
See ya. In Siófok.
Now it's time to actually put GoPro to the test and see if it is water resistant. What do you think, Matthew? You think it's water resistant? Should we find out?
That voice you can hear in the background, that's the ice creamy cycle, the Hungarian ice creamy cycle.
A traditional Hungarian ice cream cycle. There's a girl on a pink flamingo, there's some people on some pedalo cars. People just passed out next to the lake. Pedalo cars. This is it, first voyage into the Lake Balaton. Oh, it's freezing. Ah, it's cold! Don't push me, I've got bad foot, don't push me.
Okay.
It's not that warm, guys, it's not that warm.
It's fine, it's been a gaylord.
Right, oh jeez, there's a police car in the water.
It's the police and she's wearing a bikini.
No, there's a police car, look, past the pink flamingo. It's really cold, I don't it's cold! It is! Ah, it's cold! It's not warm! 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 Look at the water! Ah! It's cold! It's cold! Oh! Oh! Green bikini on a pink flamingo. Oh, we've got a few floaty things in the water.
It's a floaty shot. I think.
Ah! Stop!
I think you can get from there to that sort of first base, and then you get second base, then you get third base, and that's where the fun starts at third base.
Is it a zip line? No one's doing it. Well, you haven't seen anyone doing it.
It looks like there's two people coming across. Well, I don't know if it is people. Yeah, it's two. Look, there's people going across now.
You're getting too close for the camera.
I don't know if they're people or it look like people going across. I don't know.
Is it a zip line? What kind of is it? What is it? What is this?
Angolnak.
Can
you feel the Angolnak?
Angolnak. Is there any Angolnak in the river?
Nipping at your knob.
Angolnak. Got a slide on the car. We left all our stuff. The stuff there. Hopefully no one steals it. The girl with the pink flamingo's getting out. The little hottie. Oh, you've got to adjust to the temperature. It's quite cold.
Not cold.
It is. There's the hottie.
Is that bloke with the sunglasses on under the tree staring at me and you staring at his daughter? Or
Don't know, who knows. Look, that's cool, that pedalo car, isn't it? Ah, it's cold! Keeps the waves keep hitting me and it's cold. Ugh. Hang on, there's the waves. Hang on, going to the waves, going under water. Is there any angle knock in the water?
it's the Balaton angle now. Get your angle grinder out.
No, I haven't seen any fish yet. There's no jellyfish, is there?
In the lake?
Yeah, it's only sharks.
There's a few crocodiles. The Balaton alligator.
The crocodile sandwich van, wasn't it? That was strange, wasn't it? The crocodile sandwiches. I didn't think they would eat crocodile in Hungary, but obviously they do. Did they come out of the crocodile caught in this lake?
What?
You catch the crocodile in the lake, do they?
I think so, yeah.
With a freshwater crocodile?
Yeah.
Can you drink this water? Is it
No,
freshwater?
no.
Freshwater.
If you think of people eating shark piss,
There's no salt in it.
probably shit in it as well.
Just having a discreet wee in the lake. It's got to be done, you know. When you need to go, don't you? It's just going to diffuse into the water. Oh, it's not coming out very easy for some reason. Oh, there's the Hungarian ice cream cycle there. The ice cream woman. Yeah, that's done. Just added a bit more volume to the lake. Should we go for a swim? Yeah, I mastered the swimming with a camera trick. Ugh. Lake Balaton ist voller Aale.